It's very important. This makes one, we know first identity. 2 sin x cos x means I can say sin 2x from the multiple and submultiple angles. From here, sin 2x equal to, I can write t square minus 1. Right? It's very important here. Squaring on both sides looks like a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. From the trigonometric identity, we have 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. So given integral becomes cos x minus sin x upon integral, this can be written as dt by 5 plus sin 2x means I can write t square minus 1. See, integration becomes same, easy. So integral 1 by, it looks like 2 square plus t square dt. What is the standard formula I told you here? Integral 1 by a square plus x square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So if you apply this, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of t means sin x plus cos x, right? Special substitution by 2 plus c. Right? This is the way we can do it. Therefore, integral cos x minus sin x by 5 plus sin 2x dx equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of sin x plus cos x by 2 plus. That is the end of solution. Okay, similar way I will say one more problem, same model, sin x plus cos x equal to t only. It is also important. Integral sin x plus cos x by root of 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. Same procedure again, because we have sin 2x and sin x plus cos x also we have, right? Sin x plus cos x we have, right? So I will take minus here, small change. Because numerator we should get here, right? So if you write derivative, plus we will get, here you will get minus, here you will get minus, here you will get 1 minus t square. Rest all same. Did you understand? Since we have sin x plus cos x in the numerator, let me take sin x minus cos x equal to t. Now given integral becomes sin x plus cos x dx upon square root of 9 plus 16 sin 2x. So this is dt upon root of 9 plus 16 times 1 minus t square. Square root of 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square. Method is very important, right? 25 minus 16 t square. Take 16 common, because t square coefficient always should be unity. 1 by 4 times integral dt by 5 by 4 whole square minus t square. So it looks like 1 by a square minus x square. Integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. That is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus. So it can be 1 by 4 1 by 2a 2, a means 5 by 4, log mod a plus x 5 by 4 plus t by 5 by 4 minus t plus here 4 gets cancelled, 1 by 5 2s are 10, log mod 5 plus 4t by 5 minus 4t plus 1 by 10 log mod 5 plus 4 t means sin x minus cos x plus by 5 minus 4 times sin x minus cos x plus, right? sorry I made a mistake here. Formula, standard formula is wrong. Root is there, right? Sorry. Wait a minute. Square root is there, see. I did not see the square root. If there is square root, what is the formula? 1 by root a square minus x square dx. That is sin inverse of x by a. Sorry for the step. Sin inverse x by a. I didn't see the root of, square root of. Sorry. So 1 by 4. So how can we write this? Sin inverse of x by a. X by a. Plus. So I can write 1 by 4 sin inverse of 4 times t means sin x minus cos x upon 5 plus. This is the way we can write. Sorry for the mistake. Sin x plus cos x upon square root of 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. Should never forget to write the F4 step, right? 4 of sin x minus cos x upon 5 plus, that is the final answer. Let me see another problem. Integral 3x minus 1 by square root of x square minus 9 dx. Right? So how do we do this? Simple. First I will make it into standard form. 3x minus 1 by square root of x square minus 9 dx equal to integral, I am splitting the integration like this, 3x by root x square minus 9 dx minus integral 1 by square root of x square minus 9 dx. So 3 keep it out. I am making 1 by 2 times 2x by root of x square minus 9 dx minus integral 1 by root of x square minus 3 square dx. You must remember here, why did I do this 2? Multiply and divide with 2? Because I have one formula, integral f dash x by root of f of x dx. If you have, you can write 2 root f of x plus c. Right? F dash x by only f of x means log mod f of x. That is different. But here we have square root, so we will get 2 root f of x. And the second integral is root of x square minus a square dx. So already I told you log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus. So 3 by 2 times, here we will get 2 root x square minus 9 minus log mod x plus root of x square minus 9 plus. So here 2 gets cancelled. So square root 3 root x square minus 9 log mod x plus root of x square minus 9 plus. Right? Right. Oh, x square plus 9. No problem. Therefore, integral 3x minus 1 by square root of x square minus 9 dx equal to, actually it is given plus here, there will be no problem. As per the question it is correct. Minus log mod x plus root of x square minus 9 plus. Okay? That is the way we can do it. Another one, integral 1 minus x by 1 plus x under root dx. This can be done by substitution, or I am saying one method, this method also we can do it, no problem. Dx equal to, just multiply and divide with 1 minus x. Okay? Because for the numerator I am removing the square root. So it becomes 1 minus x by root of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now split the integration, 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral x by root of 1 minus x square dx. So it looks like integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx, that is sine inverse of x by a plus this I will change, say, just wait, sine inverse of x by a means 1. Here I want to have this form, f dash x by root f of x dx. You can write 2 root f of x plus c. Okay, for that here I am making plus 1 by 2 I am writing, minus 2x I am writing, by root of 1 minus x square dx I am writing. Any problem? This is sine inverse x plus 1 by 2, 2 root 1 minus x square plus c. Got it? 2 to cancel. So sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Right? So this is the final answer. Integral 1 minus x by 1 plus x under root dx equal to sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus. Hope it is clear. So with this concept video 7 is completed. So let me start exercise 8 concept video in the next class. Thank you.